How to add description to YouTube Shorts when uploading it. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can add description on YouTube Shorts while uploading. Well, the process is simple. Now you can either use YouTube Studio or you can use YouTube or you can use YouTube Studio on the web. I'm just opening up the YouTube apps. Then head over to the channel that you would like to upload on and then tap on the plus icon at the screen. Then tap on Shorts option. Now you can tap on gallery icon, the photos icon, and choose the video that you'd like to upload. Then tap on done. So you'll start processing up. Now once it has finished processing up, it'll give you the option to add in description, hashtags and such. So as you can see here, tap on next once you have finished editing, adding captions and such if you have to do so, and it'll start processing the video again. It may take a while, but once it has finished it'll give you the option to add details. So you can see caption your short. This is where you'll have to add in your description or any such. There is no any separate option for description. Here you'll have to add in your title. If you want to add in description, add it here, or if you want to add in hashtags, you'll have to add it here as well. This is the only way for shorts. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe.